Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Cooking deer sausage right on your stove is one of the easiest ways to prepare a fantastic meal. It's incredibly quick, making it ideal for those busy weeknights. Plus, the stovetop method really helps to develop a deep, savory flavor in the sausage. You'll find it's a remarkably straightforward and rewarding process. First things first, make sure your deer sausage is fully thawed before you begin. It's best to let it thaw slowly in the fridge overnight. Once thawed, slice your sausage into uniform rounds, about ½ inch to 1 inch thick, to ensure they cook evenly. Then grab a sturdy skillet like cast iron and add just a touch of oil. Now let's get that pan hot. Heat your skillet over a steady medium-high heat until the oil gently shimmers. Carefully place your sausage slices into the hot pan in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd them. Let them sear undisturbed for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, until you see a beautiful, golden brown crust develop. Once both sides are nicely seared, reduce the heat down to medium-low. This is a great time to add a tiny splash of water or broth to the pan. Just a few tablespoons will do the trick. Then, cover your skillet with a lid and let the sausage gently steam for another 5 to 8 minutes, ensuring it cooks all the way through to perfection. Before serving, it's always a good idea to ensure your sausage is fully cooked. The internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, remove the sausage from the pan and let it rest for just a couple of minutes. It pairs wonderfully with a simple side of sautéed onions and peppers, or perhaps alongside some pasta, making a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.